I just pulled into a campsite. I'm overlanding for a couple of days through North Georgia, and I want to take the time to try out a brand new product that was sent to me by Packfire. Now, Packfire is a very unique design of a backpack version of a smokeless campfire pit. There's a couple reasons why I was interested in this, and in this video we're going to unbox this. We're going to see what comes inside. I'm going to talk about why I was so interested in trying out this product, but then also we're going to test it out and see how well it works. Let's get inside this box. Into the light now, now. Listen down, down, into the light now. Listen down, down, into the light now. This is the Packfire Portable Backpack Smokeless Fire Pit. I can't wait to open this thing up and see what comes inside. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is this awesome kickstand that's on the back of this backpack. You just set it down, boom, and it pops open. And we can now unclip this and get right into our pack. There shouldn't be too much to this unit. We got some packing directions here, some use instructions. We'll just keep that right there. This is probably going to be our bottom ashtray area. Oh, it's got the feet right here. We'll look at that in just a second. This is going to be our top fire ring. I like the matte black. That is so cool. And then we're going to have the actual unit right here. And that is just how simple this setup is. Let's go ahead and put this thing together, light it up, and put it to use. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our base here. We're going to open up the legs just like that. Pop that down here. And then on our Packfire unit, you will notice these air holes right here. We're going to make sure these are down at the bottom. So we take this, open it up, and just set it right there. And then take our ring that goes on the top. And that is just how simple it is to set the Packfire campfire pit up. Let's throw some firewood in it. So one of the great things about this pit is it's actually sized to fit some of the more traditional sizes of firewood. You don't have to cut it or split it or make it smaller, or this will all fit most sizes of firewood. Now, one of the things I really like about this Packfire is the fact that it's going to contain a lot of the heat right here. Most of this is going to get really hot, which means you should probably be careful having little children around, making sure they don't touch this outside here. This is going to distribute the heat pretty evenly, and it's going to get really hot. I like the fact that this has a smokeless technology, and what that means is as the smoke comes up, it's going to get recycled inside of the container, reburnt, and then come out as more fuel. There's very little, I wouldn't say there's no smoke, but there's very little smoke that gets emitted from this unit. Now, why is that important? Recently, I was on a 4-day overlanding trip through North Georgia. Probably by about day 2 or day 3, I was in an open fire, not a fire pit, an open fire. I was getting this massive, massive headache. It was a migraine. And I would go up in my tent and I would go to sleep. I'd try to go to sleep. And my head was just pounding. It was pressure behind my eyes, and I related it all back to smoke. I had smoke inhalation that created a lot of negative feedbacks on my body. I was getting massive headaches. The fact that this has a smokeless technology, I think is going to make it a lot more efficient for me to make a campfire at nighttime. A lot of times I would choose not to make a campfire just because I didn't want to have to deal with the headaches and the smoke. So now having this is going to make it really nice not to have headaches over smoke. Now, in addition to the smokeless fire pit that you have here, one of the main features is the fact that you get this backpack that comes with it. There's a couple reasons why they want to do this. They kind of encourage this to be a pack-in, pack-out kind of backpack, where if you are not in an overlanding rig, or you are just hiking or camping or trail hiking or something like that, you could throw this on your back and take it with you into a campsite back in the wilderness. Now there's one issue, obvious issue, that I find with that, and I only say this because I'm not a hiker, I'm an overlander, but this setup, backpack and fire pit, weighs about 36 to 37 pounds. The backpack alone, this is just about 7 pounds, which means that is about 30 pounds, 29, 30 pounds, just that. So I don't know, as a hiker or as a backpacker, I would assume that you're bringing in a lot of gear, a lot of backpacks, a lot of tents, and things like that. I just don't know how feasible it's going to be to bring your backpack, your camping gear, your tent, your food, and another 37 pounds on your back. I'm not a hiker. I love the idea. I love this idea and being able to pack this away really easily because it stores super nicely inside of the Road Rash rig. I'm going to show you real quick how we're going to put this out and how we're going to break it down and clean it up a little bit, just so that we can pack it all away and store it nicely inside of the Road Rash Jeep. So ideally, you're going to want to let this fire burn out naturally by itself, and in that way you can kind of take it, dump the ashes into the fire ring, make sure that your fire is completely put out. Ours is nice and cool to the touch, so what we're going to do is just take this top lid off here, and you'll notice right here on the side there's 2 buttons, and then you're going to want to push these buttons in, and it actually gives you a little handle to pull out and lift up, and then that's how we're going to take this piece off. Now you can take it and grab it by the legs. The legs are actually never hot, so take this and you can just clean off all of the ash, wipe it down with our rag, and now we can fold up the legs and store it away. Now the carrying case backpack is a really unique feature about this bag. We lift this up, this will just slide right into here. We'll take our base here, we're just going to close these feet just like that. That is going to slide in right there. And now this pocket here is going to be for our main outside base. Close this up. And now we're ready to pack this thing away. This Packfire Smokeless Fire Pit is going to be such an awesome addition to the Road Rash Jeep when I'm trying to camp at nighttime, making it easy for me to light a fire and keep people around it without getting smoked out. I want to thank Packfire for sending this to me for me to test out. This is going to be an awesome, awesome addition. If you guys are interested in the same exact Packfire fire pit that I'm using, then click the link in the description down below. I'll post it down there and you guys can pick up a fire pit for you as well. Thank you, Packfire. Like and subscribe to Road Rash Off-Road if you want to see more adventure videos and more gear reviews like this.